Naghahanap ba kayo ng racket na nasa bahay lang? Ang number one step na kailangan ninyong pag-aralan, ano ba yung kaya ninyong i-offer? Anong industry yung familiar kayo? So say for example, dito si Miss Kate, siya daw ay licensed real estate broker dito sa Pilipinas. And to quickly answer her question, bagay na bagay sa inyo ang real estate virtual assistants. But if you want to push it further at gusto mong mas niche down pa yung pag-aralan mo, you can actually be a social media manager for real estate agents. You see, hindi lang dapat isa o dalawa yung alam mong gawin or kaya mong i-offer na service as a virtual assistant. Magsisimula ka sa pinakang basic, pagkatapos after nun, pagka nakabisado mo na siya or na-master mo na siya, maghahanap ka ng kasunod na pag-aaralan mo na skills, pero nakafocus ka pa din sa specific industry na yon. So depende kung determinado ka na talaga, gusto mo nang mag-work from home, then I would recommend number one, you might want to take the real estate virtual assistance class that's coming up this June 15th, 1 till 9 p.m. yun. Usually natatapos ng 5 or 6 p.m. yung class, tapos may 2 weeks na internship. However, kung alam mo sa sarili mo na this is really something that you wanna do at gusto mo mag-aral pa ng paano mag-run ng ads para sa real estate, paano maging social media manager sa real estate, then pwede kang mag-take ng top VIP All Access Pass kasi 1 year na yun. Pagkatapos lahat ng classes namin maa-attendan mo na at ang price, 1,999 lang. If you guys wanna join, i-click nyo lang tong link sa bio ko. Pagkatapos pindutin nyo GigHub. Sa GigHub, makikita nyo na dyan simula sa free resources hanggang sa paid classes namin. Everything that you need to know to start working from home, it's there. Pag clinic nyo under live mentorship, kung gusto nyo yung 1999, yan yung i-click nyo. Or kung yung 999 real estate virtual assistants, maalin man dyan, i-click nyo lang yan. It will take you to the form and it will give you all of the details that you need to know about the class. Hope this helps. Comment any questions you guys have about working from home. Follow for more work from home chismis and I'll see you at the classroom. Bye!